I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ram 1500 louder. Many truck owners desire a more aggressive exhaust note, and there are straightforward methods to achieve this. We will explore two popular and relatively easy modifications that can significantly change your truck's sound. These methods offer different levels of sound increase and can be tailored to your personal preference, giving your Ram that powerful rumble you're looking for. One of the easiest and most budget-friendly ways to make your Ram 1500 louder is a muffler delete. This involves removing the stock muffler and replacing it with a straight pipe. The process is relatively quick, often taking less than 2 hours at an exhaust shop, and can cost around $100 to $200. You'll notice a much more aggressive and raw exhaust note, especially under acceleration, giving your truck a powerful presence on the road. Another excellent option for a louder Ram 1500 is installing an aftermarket catback exhaust system. These systems replace everything from the catalytic converter back, including the muffler and tailpipes. While a bit more involved than a muffler delete, they offer engineered sound profiles and often come with performance benefits. Prices typically range from $500 to over $1,000, but you gain a refined, aggressive sound designed specifically for your truck. Before making any modifications, it's important to consider a few things. First, check your local noise regulations, as some areas have strict limits on exhaust volume. Second, be mindful of potential drone inside the cabin, especially with a muffler delete, which can be noticeable at highway speeds. Finally, professional installation is always recommended to ensure everything is fitted correctly and safely, giving you peace of mind and the best possible sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.